We're recording.
Okay, my airsofters and airsoftettes. This is my very first narration of any airsoft film. So, let's see how I do. This is the third game from Saturday 9/13, I believe that was the date. Yeah, but anyway, it was the third game of the day. Matthew's already played one or two. He's warmed up. This is mine and Josh's, the guy in the ACU in the 6094 tan vest in front of me. And this was originally a 23-minute game, which was extremely long. For our CQB field, we normally run about 10 minutes games, but this is just what kind of turned out to be. So, hope you enjoy. I'll be dropping in occasionally to continue to talk and annoy you, I guess you could say. But anyway, bye.
Josh. Hit. Is he out? Safety! Oh crap, they know where you are.
I think I dropped mine.
Hallway! What? Okay,
well, as you can see, the opposing team has moved in very fast, and I was not prepared for this because, like, it's my first game, it's my warm-up game. I have my M16 out there. It is not by any means a CQB weapon, and that's for far and beyond. It not being a CQB weapon. But Matthew is using his custom GNG pneumatic blowback with a real steel AR Troy rail on it and a homemade suppressor, which looks extremely nice, a T1 aim point, and a PEC 15 with grip, I do believe. I might be wrong. He can quote that in the comments below. I am using the Echo 1 M16 freaking fully customed with a Lancer Tactical 3x9x40. Sorry about that. Red and green illuminating scope, Magpul, AFG in tan, and then just a normal scope protector. So I'll continue to keep bumping in on the video just so you get to hear my voice, because I know y'all love that. Lol.
Safety! Hit! Go. Front away! Good.
You have your ATP?
Safety! Okay. Let's go. Just. Wait, no, back up. They're gonna come out of this corner fast. Back up. Oh! Good kill. Where are they at? Welcome. Where are they at? Where did you get safety from? Where did you get safety from? Hey! We both saved each other at the same time. Okay. Safety! He's it! Hey! I'm not sure where that came from. Yeah, I know.
Okay, what's about to happen really hurts. Yeah, he got shot right in the ear. And it was not pleasant. Not by a long shot. So, the enemy team is making a big push right now. I'm about to head out to the office, I do believe, to just try to get, oh no, right there. I should have went to the office, that would have been a smarter place to go. But, so we're trying to push them back behind the jail again, like we've had them about half of the time so far. But it's not working out great for us right now. But just wait, we do it. Yeah. And I'd like to thank you for watching the video.
What? Whoa! He's it. Dang! I saw you look over there. I was like. Shit. Shit. Hit. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah, they're right on the place you can't hit either. What are they doing? They're hitting the flag. You're ready, fool.
So they're in the drill?
Just in case you're wondering, Matthew is using an HD drift, and I'm using the GoPro Hero 3 Wide Edition. So that's just the difference in cameras. I'm running mine on 980p with 30 frames a second. He's running his on 1080p, and I think it's 30 frames a second also. You can also quote that in the comments too. So yeah.
He's just standing there shooting a flag.
Sorry, Marine. And now they're just shooting on full auto. Four, 3, 2, 1, go. They're coming up left side! Left side! Whoa, hit! Hit!
I got that is game over. Game over. Keep five. Take your mask down. Keep your mask on. Make your way to the box. Discharge your weapons. And let's go. Mask out. Mask on. Make your way to the box. Discharge weapons and let's go.
I was waiting for you to... What?
I gave you a light.
It blinked on it.
I got that is game over. Game over. Keep fire. Take your mask down. Keep your mask on. Make your way to the box. Discharge your weapons. And let's go. Mask out. Mask on. Make your way to the box. Discharge weapons and let's go.